One day, while exploring his grandfather's attic, AumSum discovered a strange old remote covered in dust, with one shiny red button labeled Rewind. Curious, he pressed it, and suddenly everything around him froze for a second, then reversed by 1 minute. AumSum was stunned. He had just gone back in time. He ran outside to test it. He threw a water balloon at the wall, pressed the button, and watched the balloon unsplash and fly right back into his hand. But things changed when AumSum overheard news of a runaway train. A fully loaded goods train had lost control and was hurtling down the tracks with no brakes. And worse, it was heading straight toward the city center. Sirens wailed, and people rushed to safety. But the train couldn't be stopped. AumSum's heart pounded. He sprinted to the hill overlooking the railway tracks. From there, he saw the train racing toward a curve that led into a crowded station. Without thinking twice, AumSum pressed the rewind button again and again, rewinding 1 minute each time. But no matter how many times he pressed it, the train kept repeating its journey toward disaster. He realized rewinding time wasn't enough. He had to change the outcome. Using his rewinds, AumSum observed everything: the train, the track, and a nearby control tower. After several rewinds, he figured out exactly when and where the problem occurred. He raced toward the nearby control tower. With only seconds before the crucial moment, AumSum used the final rewind to get in position. This time, when the faulty lever jammed, he used a metal rod nearby to unstick it. The signal turned green at the exact moment it was needed. The train regained control and stopped just in time. The city cheered for its hero.